him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord, God of God, light of light. Lo, he abhors not the virgin's womb. Very God begotten, not created. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord. Sing, choirs of angels, sing in exultation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God, glory in the highest. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord. Yea, Lord, we greet thee, born this happy morning. Jesus, to thee be glory given. Word of the Father, now in flesh appearing. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord.
So, ayan guys, may Christmas parol na tayo. Simply lang, pero I was able to make it just by using a Christmas wrapper and yung tape, saka yung mga tissue paper. Yan, may Christmas star na tayo. Hindi Christmas tree, star. Parol. We have parol, yay! DIY, make your own parol. You don't need to spend money. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, share my channel, and give me a thumbs up. And advance Merry Christmas. Maligayang Pasko at maligong bagong taon. Yay! May parol na ako. Bye-bye!